Ever noticed how some hunters spend over $1,000 on a crossbow only to get outperformed by someone using a setup that costs half as much? Yeah, that's exactly why this video is going to surprise a lot of people. Today, we're counting down the 5 best crossbows for deer hunting under $500 that deliver insane speed, hard-hitting power, deadly accuracy, and real hunting performance without destroying your wallet. And honestly, modern budget crossbows have gotten ridiculously good. We're talking compact hunting machines pushing over 400 FPs, smoother triggers, quieter shots, and better balance than some premium rigs from just a few years ago. Whether you hunt from a tree stand, ground blind, or deep in thick woods, there's something here that can seriously upgrade your season. Stick around until the end because one of these crossbows completely dominates the others in overall value and performance. And trust me, the winner might not be the one you expect. All the links are in the description. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 Crossbow. If you're looking for the best beginner-friendly hunting crossbow that still feels powerful and dependable in the field, the Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 is a seriously impressive option. What immediately makes this crossbow stand out is how lightweight and maneuverable it feels compared to bulkier competitors. At just around 6.4 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry during long hunts, especially if you're climbing into tree stands or moving through dense woods. And despite the lightweight build, it still launches bolts at 350 feet per second, which is more than enough speed for clean deer takedowns at realistic hunting distances. One of the biggest advantages here is the TriggerTech trigger system. Compared to many budget crossbows that have mushy or stiff triggers, this one feels crisp, clean, and surprisingly premium, making accurate shots easier for beginners and experienced hunters alike. Now, compared to the Wicked Ridge Commander M1 later on this list, the Barnett is slower and slightly louder, but it wins in affordability and overall ease of handling. It also comes ready to hunt right out of the box with a scope, arrows, and quiver included, which makes it a fantastic value for new hunters who don't want to spend extra money on accessories. The downside? It's definitely louder than some of the more advanced crossbows higher on this list, especially without upgraded dampeners. But for the price, the Whitetail Hunter 2 punches way above its weight class. If you want lightweight comfort, dependable accuracy, and beginner-friendly handling without overspending, this is one of the smartest deer hunting crossbows you can buy under $500. What do you think about lightweight crossbows for hunting? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. TenPoint Wicked Ridge Commander M1 Lightweight. Now, if mobility matters most to you, the TenPoint Wicked Ridge Commander M1 takes things to another level. This thing feels incredibly compact and refined in the hands, especially compared to larger hunting rigs that can feel awkward in tight spaces. At only 5.8 pounds, it's one of the lightest crossbows on this entire list, and that makes a huge difference during all-day hunts or long hikes into public land spots. But the real game changer here is the integrated AccuDraw cocking system. Unlike many crossbows where cocking becomes tiring or frustrating after repeated use, this system reduces the effort down to almost nothing, making it perfect for hunters who want easier operation or simply don't want to wrestle with heavy draw weights. Performance is also excellent, firing arrows around 380 FPS with plenty of energy for deer hunting. Compared to the Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2, the Commander M1 is faster, narrower, and easier to cock, but it also costs a bit more and has slightly more vibration after the shot. Compared to the Xpedition Black Viking later on, it's not nearly as fast, but it feels noticeably more maneuverable and lightweight in real hunting situations. That compact profile is especially useful inside ground blinds where every inch matters. The scope quality is solid, the handling feels premium, and overall it delivers that higher-end hunting feel without entering premium price territory. If you want a crossbow that feels compact, smooth, and incredibly easy to manage in the field, the Commander M1 is an outstanding option that balances portability and performance extremely well. Number 3. Xpedition Archery Black Viking X430 Crossbow. Alright, now we're stepping into serious speed territory. The Xpedition Archery Black Viking X430 is built for hunters who want raw power and insanely fast bolt speeds without spending a fortune. And honestly, this thing is an absolute beast. Shooting at a blistering 430 FPS, it's one of the fastest crossbows anywhere near this price range, and you can absolutely feel that power the moment you fire it. Compared to the Barnett and Wicked Ridge models, the Black Viking delivers much flatter trajectories and significantly more kinetic energy, making longer shots easier and more forgiving. But speed isn't the only thing it brings to the table. The adjustable stock and tactical style grip give it a more customizable feel than most crossbows under $500, allowing hunters to dial in a more comfortable shooting setup. That said, all that speed does come with trade-offs. Compared to the Wicked Ridge Commander M1, the Black Viking feels bulkier and more front-heavy, especially during extended carrying sessions. It's not quite as maneuverable in cramped stands, and the cocking effort is definitely heavier, but if maximum power is your priority, very few crossbows in this category can compete with it. The included suppressors also do a surprisingly decent job reducing vibration and noise considering the insane velocity. This is the kind of crossbow built for hunters who love speed, hard-hitting energy, and long-range confidence. If you've ever wanted flagship-level FPS without flagship pricing, the Black Viking X430 gets dangerously close. Would you rather have lightweight handling or maximum speed? Drop your answer in the comments because this one really splits opinions. Number 2. Killer Instinct LOGIX 435 Crossbow. The Killer Instinct LOGIX 435 is where budget crossbows start feeling genuinely high-end. This thing looks aggressive, feels powerful, and performs like an absolute hunting machine. And the biggest headline feature here is obvious: 435 FPS. That is insanely fast for a crossbow anywhere near this price range, and it gives the LOGIX some of the flattest shooting performance on this entire list. But what really separates it from many competitors is the built-in decocking system. If you've ever hated firing a bolt into the ground at the end of a hunt just to safely unload your crossbow, this feature is a complete game changer. It allows you to safely decock the crossbow without taking a shot, and honestly, once you use it, it's hard to go back. Compared to the Xpedition Black Viking X430, the LOGIX feels narrower and more compact when cocked, making it easier to maneuver in tight hunting environments. The trigger also feels smoother and more refined, which helps improve shot consistency at longer ranges. However, it is a bit heavier overall once fully equipped. The power here is absolutely devastating for deer hunting, with enough kinetic energy to handle larger game as well. The included illuminated scope, arrows, and premium style features make it feel far more expensive than it actually is. This is the crossbow for hunters who want top-tier speed, modern hunting technology, and serious hunting capability without jumping into ultra-premium price ranges. If pure performance matters most, the LOGIX 435 is easily one of the strongest contenders on this list. Number 1. Barnett Whitetail Pro Star Crossbow. Taking the number 1 spot is the Barnett Whitetail Pro Star, and honestly, this crossbow earns its place because it does almost everything exceptionally well. While some crossbows focus purely on speed or compactness, the Whitetail Pro Star delivers the best overall balance of power, stability, comfort, and real-world hunting performance. The biggest advantage here is Barnett's step-through riser design, which completely changes the balance of the crossbow by shifting weight backward and eliminating that annoying front-heavy feel that many hunters struggle with. And in real hunting situations, that matters way more than most people realize. Holding steady for longer shots feels easier, carrying it through the woods feels more comfortable, and freehand aiming becomes noticeably more stable. Performance is still excellent too, pushing arrows at 400 FPS with devastating power for deer hunting. Compared to the Killer Instinct LOGIX 435, it's slightly slower, but it feels better balanced and easier to control overall. Compared to the Wicked Ridge Commander M1, it's heavier, but the added stability makes longer shots feel more confident and controlled. The TriggerTech trigger system also deserves serious credit because it gives this crossbow one of the cleanest trigger breaks in the entire category. Add in string dampeners, solid safety features, excellent ergonomics, and a complete ready-to-hunt package, and you end up with one of the most well-rounded hunting crossbows available under $500. This is the kind of crossbow that works for beginners, experienced hunters, tree stand setups, ground blinds, pretty much everything. It simply checks the most boxes. So after comparing all 5 crossbows side by side, which one actually wins overall? Honestly, every model on this list brings something different to the table. The Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2 is perfect for beginners and hunters who prioritize lightweight simplicity. The Wicked Ridge Commander M1 dominates portability and ease of cocking. The Xpedition Black Viking X430 delivers insane raw speed for the money. And the Killer Instinct LOGIX 435 feels like a premium hunting weapon, with incredible velocity and modern features. But when it comes to the best overall combination of balance, comfort, accuracy, handling, reliability, and real-world hunting performance, the Barnett Whitetail Pro Star takes the crown. It simply feels the most complete and confidence-inspiring package overall, especially for deer hunters who want premium-level performance without crossing into crazy expensive territory. No matter which crossbow you choose, remember this: practice practice matters just as much as gear. A well-placed shot will always beat raw speed alone. All the links are in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hunting gear reviews and outdoor content coming soon. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which crossbow would you trust most this deer season? Thanks for watching, and good luck out in the field.